So, Leveru from Instagram has asked a pretty good question. What's the first thing that a game designer must do before making a game?
For me, before I start any project, I try to aim for some specific thing in my mind, or if it's like a professional setting, in whoever has the shot calling in their minds, in their vision. I just try to understand what they want from the game and try to put it at the core center of the game. What that means is usually for example, a strategy game, it could be resource management, it could be micromanagement of the units, it could be mix and match of these things. A lot of the times, it's usually a balance between two contradicting factors, and you need to find the right balance for that. And if it's not your vision, what you need to do is find out the right keywords, right structure for the game, so that when you're prototyping, you're always going forward and not just looping around the same logic. So I think it's very important to find that first thing that is important to you. If you're going for a farming game, do know how farming works, do know what is gamifiable, don't make everything realistic. Make sure that your core gameplay loops are fun, but just know how to prototype those things as well. You don't have to do it on a game engine, you can also do it with just pen and paper, but it's better to do it on a game engine if you're aiming for a medium that is like PC or console.